People. Hee-hoo. Yo, if you don't know where I got that hee-hoo from, check out Ghetto Michael Jackson on YouTube. He's hilarious. When you type that in, you'll see what I'm talking about. But anyway, wagwan people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you come from and you're watching this video. Hello, I am Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Coming to you again with another video. Someone wanna go cuss me and say, yo, what happened? Where are you? Well, you know, say me now, no excuse. But just know I'm here, I'm alive, I'm well, and I hope you guys are keeping safe wherever you guys are at. And yeah, the Jamaica vlog, them soon come. So no worry yourself. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, and then you'll get notified of when I drop a video. Okay? And trust me, someone wanna cuss me in my DM say, yo, where is the Jamaica vlog them? As me say, them soon come. And yeah. Okay guys, I'm at the sale. I'm gonna try to vlog without getting caught. They got the flower bomb stuff. Ooh, is this the perfume? Oh, this is a soap. I was about to say $21 for the perfume is fucking amazing. Black opium, nacho spray, $70. It's not bad. The amount of good finds that I found, I definitely would have to come back and shop more in the makeup section. These naked foundations were going for $30 and by Urban Decay. That is amazing. Okay, so the sale I went to, I found some good finds. When I come back in 2 weeks, I'm gonna get some more stuff. I had to stop myself today because I almost spent $200, and that I would have went over my budget. So I said to myself, okay, let me get the stuff that I need that are useful right now, and then I will think about those 2 perfume sets, a YSL, and I think it was a flower bomb perfume. But the thing is with the flower bomb perfume, it was so pinched, it was like that for 30 ml. So I'll be back in 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm back from the sale. I'm just beginning to get ready. That's why I'm not on camera. These are the goodies that I got. I spent a total of $71.19, and you're probably wondering why. Well, majority of these items I actually got on a good price, to be fair. Okay, let me start with the the Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX. This one was for $4. Perfect. Then I also got the Cearve facial moisturizer. I've been looking for this everywhere because everywhere in Toronto is currently sold out because people like watching TikTok, and when they find something on TikTok, they run to the stores, buy it, and there's nothing left. So I'm actually very surprised that I went to the warehouse and I seen this. So this is the facial moisturizing CeraVe. This is the PM. That one was for $9. Then the Maybelline City Mini Palette. This one is in the shades of Brooklyn Nudes. When it comes to eyeshadows, I love nudes. You got your warm browns. This is kind of like a black. And these are your cream, colors. This one I find is a little bit pricey. It's not pricey, but it's $8 for something small like this. But you know what? In Walmart, they have this for $17, so I'm happy. The Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in Ember and in Fuego, or Fuego, whatever. Yeah, these ones were $13 each. You're probably saying, okay, they look the same. One is one is like a shiny metal base, and then the next one is just like a comfort matte. I think one of these I might end up giving to my mom. These makeup brushes, I didn't know Maybelline has makeup brushes. These are kind of small, but I feel like the bristles are very sturdy. I'm gonna open up one, can I? Love the packaging. Anyways, I paid $4 each. I wish they had more, but when I go back in 2 weeks, hopefully I get some more brushes. This one is the contour brush. This one is a concealer brush. Every time I buy concealer brushes, I never know where they disappear to. And then this one is a foundation brush. So I'm happy. And then this one, I paid, how much did I pay for this one? Okay, I paid $4. This one is a Better Skin Concealer in Deep. I never tried this concealer before, but it's $4, whatever. What can possibly go wrong? Concealer and corrector. Oh, visibly reduce the look of dark circle spots and imperfections for better looking skin in just 3 weeks. What? Interesting. Okay, I'm excited to try this. I didn't know when you use a concealer like this, it actually helps with your dark circles and spots, but so they say. We will see. But yeah, that's my little mini haul that I got from the warehouse sale. And I'm very excited. Okay guys, I am ending off the vlog. I hope you enjoyed my video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Oh my god, I just came out from a little patio thing that we were doing tonight. I forgot to record, but I had fun. And yeah. Oh, my makeup not looking that bad. Yeah, anyways, have a good night, everybody. Bye.